안녕하세요. Have you been to Korea during Christmas? It's a nice time of the year to spend this holiday. You can see Christmas trees, holiday decorations, and festive displays. It's actually a popular holiday for couples to spend together, which is a bit different than in other countries. Saying Merry Christmas in Korean is quite easy. One interesting thing that many people don't know is that there is a traditional word for Christmas in Korean. This is Sienna, and I'm going to teach you the 3 most common ways to say Merry Christmas in Korean. See if you can guess which one of these phrases has that traditional word. One thing to keep in mind about Merry Christmas in Korean is that the version changes depending on who you're speaking to. I'll cover 3 versions. 1 for close friends, 1 you can use with everyone, 1 you'll see in holiday cards. The first one is the one you'll use with your close friends. 크리스마스 잘 보내. 크리스마스 잘 보내. This version is informal, so use it with people you're close to, like your close friends. If you use it with someone older than you, it can sound rude. Next, I'll teach you the version of Merry Christmas you can safely use with everyone. The second version is 크리스마스 잘 보내세요. 크리스마스 잘 보내세요. It's more polite than the informal version, so you can use it with everyone. This version is great to use with coworkers or people you aren't on close terms with. Next is the third version, often used in greeting cards or on TV. 즐거운 성탄절 보내세요. 즐거운 성탄절 보내세요. If you guess that this is the version that has the traditional word for Christmas in Korean, you'd be right. In summary, today we covered 3 common ways to say Merry Christmas in Korean. They are 크리스마스 잘 보내, 크리스마스 잘 보내세요, 즐거운 성탄절 보내세요. 잘했어요! Now you can say Merry Christmas in Korean. Use this with your friends, coworkers, and teachers during the holidays. As a bonus, we also put together a list of common Christmas words in Korean. I'll link to that below. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. What is your favorite Christmas Korean word or phrase? Let us know in the comments below. 안녕!